In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities, and as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.